Hello po, kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? I hope you are all doing well. They say that many objects in our everyday living does not change much over time. But when substances are mixed together, change is possible. Now, join me as we go along on our topic today. How are you going to observe chemical change? In today's episode of Lab on the Go. So before we begin, let's have our personal protective equipment or PPEs worn, and we have our lab gown, our examination gloves, and do not forget also your face mask. Okay. For us to begin, let us check first if our materials are now complete. We have our iron stand and iron clamp. Here it is. And we have also test tubes, right, that are already installed. The second test tube is now being installed at the clamp, and this is the sample test tube that we're going to use for our solution and also for our chemical. We have also here a zinc alloy. Okay, so we have a few amounts of zinc alloy. And we have also the 1 mole of hydrochloric acid. So be careful in holding and preparing hydrochloric acid because it is the strongest acid among all. And we have also graduated cylinder to measure our the solution. We have also the funnel to make sure that all hydrochloric acid will be poured into the test tube. Then we have also the procedures here. Okay, so I guess we now are ready to begin. So first, let us remember that we are in the laboratory and we shall follow the safety laboratory protocols. Shall we begin? Alright, so I'm gonna place here the solution, the clamp. So we have here the universal clamp. So I'm gonna put the test tube here at the clamp. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust maybe above just an average height. Then I'm gonna put and clamp the test tube. Make sure that the direction of the test tube is pointing away from you, so that if there is any reaction occurs, it will not be harmful on you. Right? So, for us to begin, let's pour some amounts of zinc alloy inside. Okay. So make sure that all zinc alloys will be poured inside the test tube. Right. So we are pouring amount of the zinc alloy. Then on the graduated cylinder, we're going to measure about 20 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. So be careful in transferring the hydrochloric acid because it might work use. So we're going to transfer it. So let's transfer the hydrochloric. So we measure it using the upper meniscus level. So we make sure that it is 20. There you have it. That's how you're going to measure the hydrochloric acid. So the smell is very strong because again it's one of the strongest acid among the strongest actually. So now we're going to pour the hydrochloric acid into the test tube where we put the zinc alloy. Okay? So note the observation of this because it will tell us what is the reaction happening. If there is, okay, we can observe. So let's watch out. We're going to have to place the hydrochloric inside the test tube. Then watch for the reaction. Okay, you seeing the reaction? So you're seeing the reaction, there is, yeah. You're seeing there is what we call bubbles. Yeah. So we're going to trap the air inside using another test tube. Right? I shall now remove the second test tube, which is being here. So before we remove, I would like to feel that the exothermic reaction is quite hot here. So we're gonna move it out. Okay. Then using our match, let's light, make a short light, and please see the reaction. You see the reaction? Okay. Right. One more time.